Hey YouTube creators, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever uploaded a video, spent hours editing, and then wondered why it's not getting enough clicks? Well, here's a secret. Your thumbnail could be the reason. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to preview your YouTube thumbnail using a free tool called the YouTube Thumbnail Tester so you can see how your thumbnail will look on different devices before publishing. It's fast, it's free, and it can help you get more clicks and more views on your videos. Thumbnails are literally your video's first impression. Think about it. When people are scrolling on YouTube, they don't read titles first, they glance at thumbnails. A great thumbnail grabs attention and stops the scroll, leading to more clicks. A bad thumbnail, people just skip your video completely. And here's the thing, what looks good on your big desktop screen might actually look bad on a mobile phone or TV. That's why testing your thumbnail before uploading is so important. Let me show you this awesome free tool. It's called the YouTube Thumbnail Tester, and you can access it at youtube-thumbnail.org/thumbnail tester. With this tool, you can upload your thumbnail or paste a link and see exactly how your thumbnail will appear on different devices, desktop, mobile and TV view. You'll instantly see if the text is readable, if the images are clear, and if it's eye-catching enough. Let's do a quick demo. I'll head over to the thumbnail tester page. Here you can see this simple box, just click on upload thumbnail. I'll select this sample thumbnail I made earlier. Boom! Right away it shows me how the thumbnail looks on desktop, mobile and TV. You can instantly spot whether your text is too small on mobile or maybe your image is getting cropped out on TV, or if your colors pop enough to grab attention. See this example? On desktop it looks fine, but on mobile, the text is way too small. This quick preview just saved me from uploading a bad thumbnail. I can go back, fix it and come back to test again. Quick tips while you're testing your thumbnails. Apple Bake Estate how it looks on mobile. Most YouTube views come from mobile. Use big, bold text, something that can be read even when the thumbnail is tiny. Use contrasting colors to make your thumbnail pop on the YouTube feed. Avoid clutter. Simple and bold works better than overcrowded images. Always check all devices using the thumbnail tester before publishing. The best thing about the YouTube thumbnail tester is how quick and easy it is. You don't need any complicated software. You don't need to upload your video first. You can literally drag and drop your thumbnail and see how it will look, saving you time, effort, and giving your video a better shot at higher click-through rates. The more clickable your thumbnail, the more views you get, the faster your channel grows. So, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, stop guessing and start testing. Try out the YouTube Thumbnail Tester at youtube-thumbnail.org/thumbnail tester. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments, did your thumbnail pass the test? And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss my YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.